Hi, this is an unboxing video of the Elmdene speaker. So I ordered this off eBay a couple of days ago. And it's, doesn't look that well packed. There's just a few layers that you see. I'm already. Oh no, it's packed okay. There's bubble wrap, tape, and then there's the box. That's okay, I suppose. I just thought it was the bubble wrap and the tape, the bubble wrap, and actually the speaker. So, pretty plain box. And then we're into the brains. So here it is. It's quite heavy. Oh, it's got a little tamper switch. It's nice. I've no idea how you open this. Oh, that's done it. God, it's got a massive speaker. This looks hard. This does. I have no idea how you'd connect them, but hey ho. That speaker is massive there. Look at that. It's a massive speaker. So there we are. That goes like that. Oh no. Goes in a certain way. I'd say like maybe like that. So get that in there. Right. So there we are. Elmdene. It's an actual Elmdene. I think this is about 95 decibels. So there we are. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.